Alright, we're back in the daytime. Is that a Ferrari? We're doing an unboxing video today. And we got Ferraris. So let's check this one out. I already got this one. This is very nice. This is the GTO. The red one. The yellow one is out too. This one doesn't even need a wheel swap, but a wheel swap, and this would be a premium. The lights on it, the top is really, really nice. And the windshield wipers, you know what I'm saying? Are really, really nice on this one. All the Ferrari badging, the exhausts on the side. This is so good. We got that one. That was the first one to come out. We got this today. 2 Ferraris we found today. The red one and the yellow F40 Competition. So I think this is actually the F40 LM that you see in the video games that you see on their websites. The LM and the Competition. I'm gonna open this here. All right, there's the case. Unboxing, first look. I've not even seen one of these in person yet. Oh my god, this yellow. Okay, what you can't see is this spoiler on the front. That's different than the original, and that's part of the Lamaze package, what they're calling the Competition. The wheels aren't too bad. It's still got the vents on the side there. 3 exhausts in the back. I'm glad it's got the honeycomb mesh that you can see right in there. My cat's having a heyday in the background. It even has those slatted windows. Now I can't remember what those are called. Let me know in the comments. But one of the coolest and notable things, of course, is all those vents and the windows. Very, very cool. This even has a windshield, a roof. You can't see it. So there's a windshield. Let's try this again. Anybody else, can they talk English? Do you want to talk for me? How about just do the video for me? I'll leave it here. You can look up the info and just figure it out because this video ain't working. On a serious note though, this is as good as I expected. If you can find an F40, get it. With this wide angle lens, it really looks cool. Let's see if I can get one on this side. How's that? It's pretty sick. So this is going to be probably my new favorite car. It's always been one of my favorite cars. I think it's always everyone's favorite car. So this is the new F40 Competition LM and the GTO. That was our Ferrari unboxing. Hopefully I can find some more. These are hella cool. Maybe I can find the treasure hunt.